Ever thought about turning your kitchen into a snack factory, but
Yeah?
without all the additives and preservatives?
You're talking homemade snacks?
Exactly. Imagine making your own beef jerky, dried fruits, even yogurt, all at home.
Wait, yogurt in a dehydrator?
Yep, and it's all
Wow.
thanks to the Excalibur 9-tray electric food dehydrator.
Oh, I've heard about that one. 9 trays is a lot.
It is. That's 15 square feet of drying space. It's like they're daring you to dehydrate everything in your fridge.
Ha! So what's so special about this dehydrator?
So it uses this thing called hyperwave technology and horizontal parallax drying.
Hyper what now?
Hyperwave technology. It's like waves of warm air flowing horizontally across all trays.
So no more rotating trays?
Exactly. No more playing musical trays. Everything dries evenly.
That sounds convenient, but does it actually work?
From what I've gathered, people are loving it. Reviewers call it a real workhorse.
Workhorse, huh? But is it user-friendly? I mean, can a newbie handle it?
Absolutely. You just load the trays, set the temperature, and walk away. No fuss. You'd think so, but the trays are dishwasher safe, and the design makes wipe downs quick and easy.
Well, that's a relief. I don't need more kitchen chores.
Right. Oh, and get this. They even include a guide to get you started with dehydration.
That's helpful. But let's be real. Does it preserve nutrients like they claim?
Yeah, the low temperature drying helps preserve vitamins and enzymes that usually get zapped by heat.
So healthier snacks all around?
Exactly. It's like turning your kitchen into a health food store.
Love it. But any downsides we should know about?
Well, some people mention it's a bit noisy, kind of like a box fan running.
That could be annoying.
True, but you can run it overnight or while you're out. Most folks don't find it too bothersome.
Fair enough. What about build quality? 9 trays. Are they sturdy?
Some users say the plastic trays feel a bit flimsy, so you have to handle them with care when they're loaded.
That's something to watch out for. Maybe they should upgrade the trays.
Actually, they do. There's a newer model, the Excalibur Performance Series with 10 trays and stainless steel doors.
Oh, stepping it up a notch. Does it have other improvements?
Yeah, it has increased wattage for faster drying and even a dual timer.
Dual timer?
Yeah, you can set it to run at one temperature for a while, then automatically switch to another. Great for things like jerky. It does, but if you're serious about dehydrating, it might be worth the investment.
Makes sense. So people are making yogurt in this thing?
Believe it or not, yes, they use the low temperature settings to culture yogurt right in the jars.
That's wild. So it's more than just dried fruits and jerky?
Oh, totally. People are getting creative. Fruit leathers, dried herbs for teas, even homemade spices.
I'm getting inspired. Might need to clear some counter space.
Same here. Just imagine having a pantry full of homemade snacks.
And knowing exactly what's in them. No preservatives or mystery ingredients.
Exactly. It's like taking control of your snacking destiny.
Ha! I like the sound of that. Any tips from the pros?
Well, reviewers suggest getting the non-stick sheets for things like fruit leathers to prevent sticking.
Good to know. Makes cleanup even easier.
Definitely. And some recommend grabbing a dedicated dehydrator cookbook to expand your recipe game.
Oh, I'm all about new recipes. This is sounding better by the minute.
So, are we adding the Excalibur to our wish lists?
I think it's a must. But which one? The 9 tray or the 10 tray performance model?
Tough choice. Depends on how deep you want to dive into dehydrating.
Well, I'm feeling pretty enthusiastic. Might as well go big or go home.
Ha, that's the spirit.
But seriously, it's an investment in healthier eating and fun kitchen experiments.
Couldn't agree more. Plus, homemade snacks make great gifts.
Oh, good point. Who wouldn't love some homemade jerky or dried mango slices?
Exactly. You might become everyone's favorite person.
Well, I wouldn't mind that.
So, ready to embark on a dehydrating adventure?
Absolutely, let's do it.
Awesome. Here's to homemade snacks and new kitchen ventures.
Cheers to that. Can't wait to get started.